Hello guys, today I'll show you how to calibrate this. I have a 360 camera, bird view. Okay, so you have to set up four cameras, one in the front and then one in the side mirror, and then at the back. Okay, and then you'll need lots of ruler, a meter stick, yeah, like in the construction. Forward, so this is the offset. That is the offset, the space between the car and the cloth, the edge. So you may want to on the far side of the block. Okay, that's the offset. You need also, this is very hard. You need if you don't have a calibrating cloth, you can just make one, because I make this all four, because I find it very hard to calibrate without it. It's very hard. It's much easier if you have a cloth. You just click and then calibrate, but it's not perfect. You still have to yeah,
So I enter
you
the
still
parameter
collaborate it.
here.
See, so first you have to correct the parameter. This is the length of the car. Okay, be sure to be exact as possible. Okay, we did then the offset. You see, the offset is the
120.
distance to
The
the
offset is the
edge of the car and then to the cloth, to the edge of the cloth. Okay, that's the offset, and then length of the car, and then the width. Okay, the other setting I think you don't have. I don't know what the setting is. That's the correct parameters. Okay, just like that. And then also, then lens correction. I will, yeah, but you need a good light. If there's a sun, it may not calibrate right. So
now lens correction.
it says on the manual, just calibrate it like that. But I seen
all of that one by one.
I seen
Okay,
other YouTube videos. See,
okay.
it detect it. I seen in other video they just hold the piece of typewriting.
And then you have to do
It's
it
small to calibrate the lens.
all four sides.
I think this is only for the lens. Okay, but
Now this is the side.
I will try also the typewriting one. But this time I just
Oops, it detects.
did like that. See, it's detected.
Lens correction. The bottom.
You need no light to be able to do that.
Okay, now that you have
And then we have the
complete all, you have to
this
auto
is the
adjust.
calibrate. The
This is,
auto calibrate.
calibrate everything.
So you need the position all four. Yeah, like that. You have to position all four.
Click OK.
And then it will calibrate itself.
Calibrating will take a while.
If there's a good light.
Failed.
See, it failed because it's sunny outside. You have to be in perfect lights to be able to do that.
To get the menu. Now this one is not working.
Okay.
See, this is the menu button, but it's not working.
If you cannot
push
go
the
to the
power,
menu,
and then
just press the power button
menu.
and then the center button.
There you go.
It will pop up the menu. Because
What's up? The
in this
light is very
particular
important.
model, this is a cheaper 360.
Once you
camera.
place all the
Okay.
correct the
That's why.
pattern, the chessboard. So it's
You
very
have to do
easy
that.
than the
It's
manual. I tried the
even
manual
if you
configuration because
perfectly do
I
everything,
have make only
the
one
calibration is not
checkered
that
board, but I'm
not
having
perfect.
trouble. This one is easier. I just make
Somehow the
some
other
paper and I
splicing
print
is
it on the, and then
this is very
it's
difficult
much
to
better to calculate. Just one click.
calibrate. So
Okay. Correcting.
mind it
Successful.
if you are going to do it yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm wrong.
This is like
Should
that.
have said back. Anyway.
It's very hard work
It's reviewing
calibrating.
again.
This is the bird view correction.
it's getting
Correcting. This is
good.
the full auto. It's much
Calibrating
simpler if you have the 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
If you have the
one more thing.
4 plots
My device, if you reset
place.
my device, the default
you have to make or
language
buy.
is in Chinese.
I think
so
I found in this
I'll
store
show you
about
how to change it to
500
English
pesos. So it's about in Lazada.
I use
It's
Google
about
Lens to translate
what you call
the text.
$10.
But I'll show you
$10
after
Yeah,
calibrating. See,
So
it's working now.
You can
And
find
also,
cheaper ones. It's rather than doing it manual, you can't do
I have
it
to
manual.
remove my side mirror.
See, I have to
install
install the
camera.
side. I have to remove
You have to punch a hole in it.
the side mirror.
Okay.
That's how I installed it.
I install it. I remove the
remove
stereo
micro stereo.
and then
Okay. Yeah. I just put
back.
a temporary TV
Okay.
and it's small.
I think it's
Okay.
good enough.
So keep in mind if you're going to buy
I'll show you how to
this kind of
go to Chinese.
camera, 360 camera.
English.
Yeah, yeah, it's hard
then you
to
have to go to
calibrate it. So
display.
if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll show you more if you can
display.
if this video
And
gets
then you have to
10 likes,
display the things.
I can
There you go.
do
English.
it as some part 2.
English.
Okay, there's other display settings, but basically it's you have to figure it out for yourself.
So that's it.
See, it's just this one is recording by a USB.
View.
It doesn't have a SD
This
card.
is the height. The offset is the how far
So,
you place the
don't forget to subscribe. Okay?
cloth, the calibrating cloth.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, that's how far it is, so you won't be confused. Okay, that's it. If you are having trouble with the manual calibration, just make the cloth. It's much easier. Okay, bye. Subscribe to my channel. Okay. So guys, this is the finished product. I can't get very bird view, but I think it's maybe this unit or some other. When someone walk, it's like a giant. So I guess this will do. Yeah, it's bird view is not yet a complete technology. Anyway, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.